Men can't President Mahama say, Sam Crofo your mobile ball, man. What your pa, man in your point. Paul Macadia in a dundu. What your Muko Gunsa, or Munqua, or Muyoki, or Messato Abamano.
Simple. Aquaba.
Yeah.
And I didn't come in. Okay. Mammy introduce you.
Okay.
The incoming Deputy National Women Organizer, Edema, the NDC. Yeah, Bema. Mini Aquaba.
Yeah. Post now walk on. Just say, I have been there for the first time. Bema ever contested sa position. To me, may I let la kakrama wachi. Well, la kakrama no. Oh, ya jama manungo ubi an contesting me. Meanwhile, eba to be contesting chairman. Eba to be contesting secretary. Any bibia. Organizer crowd no. Because say
limited.
Na MPP. Lady Bako omo regional women's organizer. Greater Accra. No yeah. Constituency organizer.
Okay.
Fire was so west we go. Eti positions in the honor. Constitution in Kasa ya madia. Enti walk on. I think it's a good. A good. Na Jebi.
Yes sir.
Yi sa campaign MPP for ye. Say go and register. Join us in the Kaiga hono.
Say obi aye bi.
Kojo Ponkroma supposed to be. Ana sensu boache supposed to be. No mu post to ye no.
Yeah.
Ye kasa MPP go ana manfo ntiase. Omo angasa omo party for no. Chale. Enye izo.
Patrick Boam also supposed to be.
One the comment in here fair. Very encouraging. So on the
I saw one I said that a few good men within the NPP party.
Share MPP ni here. MPP na you know. Was it when you were enjoying in government? Did you ask anyone to join you? I don't imagine. I should join MPP so that when finally I decide to contest parliamentary or presidential primary, you will tell me I'm not parliamentary or presidential material.
I see.
Just say, what asensu boachi dia omode eba? Was it you think we are living in 1992?
Oh.
Me joining Sankwas for where?
Oh.
Is it by force? To join an opposition party this time? On the me fan say now, ya no copy. Who will join MPP? Go and sit down.
MPP for
I'm joining the base. Ghana first. Obi say like I go join Okot. MPP for the church. Obi say why you want? Opa stobra from Bakope. See.
Yes.
Oda guy that's why. Obi Makosoro.
Like I will join awkward.
As I say, what did you ask you know?
When you were writing another letter to the president, MPP the Jimmy for I just wrote. Oh. And you make oh,
na send na poor the car say yansani ba ko ne ba umia.
But yeah.
I can na po ne kan. Na po and I say cabinet we nyina de no nim yansan ye ba umia. 19 people so na join cabinet. And about me no nim yansan so na ejina techima ku testia.
Mo festia no.
Esi for mo a obo aben.
Okay, that's another interesting comment. Interesting. Top-down presidential material for how many years left? The organic love didn't cherish. You will struggle to get inorganically when lost. You disrespect. Okay, you don't respect sacrifice and diligence. A case study pa Mother Ghana first. You know who ye. Ghana
first part, na people for na omo peken. Na omo got the base no. Omo ye ka say MPP agu a omo ntiase. Agu.
But they organizing the base. I mean,
the base. Wa hu ne omo ye. Obi betimi do omo akokot. Akwa siu won.
Say.
Mo akọ Congress. Akwa ye say mo akọ ye top bottom.
Yeah.
Elections.
Yeah.
Ye kwa yi Flagbearer first near yi national region. Constituency, electoral area to polling station. Think a polling station a very last.
Yeah, that's true.
And they say, Sadia Mukako ye dear. Moto presidential ye afi dear. General Secretary at office and ye baba ye from bottom to up. No, sir. None of Mudi Kawako and the nature. The
woman free so Samra.
I guess some Mudi free. My presidential, no, my national, no, my region. Never Basaba Bisi.
Yeah, sure.
Baum, essence and no more prani, dear, we are Mamma Baumi and Gino. Or Master City.
Oh, but I mean, say elections near fair. Obian will say, we are Mubiama.
For changing of that, you know, Quano, a face in Viamu. And yet, what kind of Honmongwana area Muno? What is it?
There's a Viamu process.
A process. And it's there, Quaco 20 and parties in Iowa to know. Because one you want that you told Munani to be out. It's me out.
Only the Falcon.
Yet the Falcon.
I see.
So, Mekata Miko Parliamentary, Pogata Manso. Na, me party for me, what I mean, personal. Oh, you won't go for be a quack for Mwaba. No more trouble game or no more, say me a ho, and your mama mini. Now, go from what is over me, as I almost is summer and this, you know. Oh, and I'm so many, I just say, go for your transfer.
Some more goose. Harry Maguafu.
Hey,
I see.
Yeah, last unit. The party from no amount 50 Ghana. Kotuma Akufo-Addo, Natuma Ekromuni, Kotuma Akufo-Addo, Natuma Ekromuni. David, you are 39,000 vote plus. Manko Parliament.
39,000.
Okwashanti, some of them 20,000, 21,000.
Maybe 16,000.
Maybe 18,000.
And then 39,000 Manko Parliament.
39,800 and something. Manko Parliament. Look, in the history of Punkatamanto, can I say, primaries.
Yeah.
That time I was MPP. Me record solid. Me for free 26,000. Ediko 39,000. After me, the next person Ediko 24,000.
Wow. Let's say the model. I don't know how now.
Me say, what's I say? Me adenta na me. Me adenta constituency.
Say na Castle bit me akọ.
What's I?
Say na Castle bit me akọ.
There be a one na me was.
Say na kwesi ya baba jama free one ma.
Any problem? Enti na me free ko kata so about adenta no. Adenta my adwuma ho a bia one pipi na na me adwuma ho. So
also you always say me sin bi o.
What's I?
Oh you always say me.
What do we now with this? Yeah, call a holiday a fair weather yinti no.
I see.
Etimi kwa ha.
Yeah. Get to the very first story, the renaming of Kotoka International Airport back to Accra International Airport. I started causing some kind of incommodity or sustainable why the change of name.
Yeah, before then, where the mention Srebako, your best Director General of Police MTTD.
Okay.
Say, Oma. The men are more quite so. Proactive kakra.
Okay.
Especially when change and traffic light.
Yes.
Subai ya bird. Ya farm money part once. So na every meeting Pastor Mesota be preaching me. Was this I will repeat BB 21 times
yeah.
Na babe yo subai.
So
say e kokoye 5-10 utimi esesa eyeyi. Be nyako who hit it 21 times a bit. Who jina ho? Yanam kwemu. I saw red. Car jina. Moto free no twam. Say other ones in agree and so amono. Say our bano or no dimra so. Kind of bonuses here. Police ni kwa could detain you. What kind of a nation and the birthday? What kind of police service and the yema? Etino say nipa no look. Red is red. Even nipa, taba biwa Europe, Germany. O cham crossing, na say assault red. Da u cham na police nyawo. Wagu. Ade odi pipa dia ade na ye prepare wa mo obafi. Eti ya transi amasade na kosoa ene sei e kakitua bi nkaka e bo obi.
Wow.
Nipa na jina red asoma na jina green so na wo no ba no moto no. Me hu ni eti a moto for no pese wo mo kire se wo mo ye superhumans e da obi a wo ye yi asifu se wo mo de eti Ghana Police Service me emre bia na meka me nam fofo ne mo na so man no mu be ye yi a ejina mo amoso eti se traffic light bia ase no at least moto miedu si ho no nipa ni twam a mo chesi no na mo nche no mo che na first mo konkon lock no e ye crime mo prepare no Woko court baku mienu a odu traffic obeden obegina.
Yeah, that's
Adetina say this kind of impunity ne ya giant it is a nipa no ohritina wo ba musisi a. We sorry that fast no ya for.
Yeah, omu ye yesu ka DV na ya no money bre yesu. Na baku buy why are you using 2025 DV? Na I'm saying that 2025 DV na your no say park where I'm park where. Park where under traffic light, not traffic, not so green. Not pavements were what's the mean full pavements na me park well. I'm so there be any young nim. Me jina nim one match because meet me and block it a quino. Instead of my come nim. I saw we do many more. Me park here no waba. Me park here me jina obey 3 minutes police number. Na me to call here. Nti me onu ti me sa so san machi esa ba be fa ho no mo so ohu me say me ne onti me na me cheche ni mu ne nti ya me use DV 2025
wancho
sata no kwa na DV no kwa no munya ka ho asem ne mayo na 2026 de ne mayo
Okay, sir ne de
ne mayo
say 2025 no once ya no yearly
yes
eti say awura 2026 mu now use 2025
that was around January 6th or 7th
well right is our question but the thing is say that 26 they no my into no and one is our make chance 26 they my
that's the police no nim onim no ba be so premier agent
oh et we there a special appeal to Director General MTTD
you call the renaming of the Kotoka International Airport
I think sir edini de ahwahwache akwala obi a Kotoka
was it necessary
say you rename
yes
necessary
okay
necessary in the sense say as I say you correct nyama bi so ho net no
yeah
aha we ya no be say oh say omo ayeku ani ye dia ani say jeje nso yeku difference Kotoka yeku na obaye no wo mu as a military person
okay
ono so yetu no
yeah
so ho net no Lawrence yeku as a military person what is one or no asa agree ano wo ye ya ye call democratic dispensation e mo be contest election e win ye the president for 8 years in the democratic rule eti ono no de no ye ayi bi a ontimi mfa nkototo enkroma de no but de eye medane se ya nkwa nkofa din se ye di din we na ekwakoto so na akwako generate any controversy yes say ade no Ghana capital town ye friend Accra nti aeroplane no ba e Accra na oba nti Accra International Airport simple
yeah
enu adam ne MPP ni bi ne o fidie bi so no se one de na nka esisenke de tonkroma anam se wo nkrofo we mu wono waja adwene bi sa senke fa tonkroma na nka yo ba tonkrofo no wo bi za obo wo bi za omo enka chese dede akebe ba okrum ha sei no nka nya de ketwa say that didn't na mo de kwa tonkroma me so obo ya yikra few commentaries bi kra metete say Nkrumah was a dictator or ye say or a whole lot of things at when there Pablo try no ni nyina ne mache no ye twaso tie Accra International Airport media minister chese edin no anasesa
yeah
but the country code everything perfect is intact nanka wo ye kan say wo shorten na ye KI say ye AI eti eno keke but ye code ewo akawo no ye ACC regional home Accra
yeah
so yeah aha that is ACC dia obo Kotoka International Airport abo say ACC aba no wa pick it is ACC no ho dia enya dia kwako change say ade se kwako change sa ACC ne ade ya dia we ka say oh and ye betue sika mo go through that system ne keka ho no all what will happen is Kotoka no will move from there near the Accra Edward I think the way enya dey say me hwe say adwumre ebia mefa airport or mefa ho a na me hu say ya twro no bawe Accra International Airport me hu anu anafe dem ho say because ade ne dey ya nya pass ya wie ya say ya sesa awie enti eni wo say di 1 week ni esi afi ni etwen so mba besesa say you know mo anya mi ankasa betima koye na me de bill abramo Baba Bejibisi ante minister se wutia ene ya so mo sisa dia ma Ghana airport for no o mo sisa no.
The airport one that's you. One is you.
Lady na Akufo-Addo de no. No that's you.
Hey.
So I see. We must see a pambo microphone in our bi hyehyɛ.
Sure.
Bebre hyehyɛ ho no. E dey ade. E to ade dey I think say no one no. Me jitu mu say yasisa necessary so. E ti say nkwala na o mo ba say no. O mo ti Accra International Airport anya fi no obi be bisa question. Obi kra bi na kotoka ase kyerɛ sɛn. Wo ye hwan. Obi kra bi kra nkwala ni bi kra ho mo nim say nipa mpodi.
And of course, the history that is distorted.
Ghana history there. What him? Well, say your history no. What him say appear me catchro book bi. River in the sea. Okwa page 256 or so. O kasafa ala ho extensive any ade. Okwa Legon library si na kokosha. Enye original book no ho.
Oh really?
Me na me catchro. Enkrofobia tima kwa tutu aye no different kra. Atimato the original one free system no mu. E dey your mope.
Fake one.
E dey aba. Me nya the original one no e woda no hinto. I don't know. That's a brother you would do any bubu a obehu sa nkrofo no. Would do any bubu pa obehu sa nkrofo no. Before we omo so the whole year say omo kwa no mo akọ school. Won go tima ho omo. So ho dey tell. Me ko hinto ho me hwe me adena. Ana me ko check baako ewo library na me friend no ana me say ade no ene de wa ha no enye pewu wo se hwe krofo na ko to ni nyina de fufura ba begum
wow
ene ade sa ana manfo ena mo mo yayi nti I think say airport ni change ni there it's a good job
yeah Jamie airport no one say man say me fa nko baba jama constituency
oh Jamie airport there say ja say Pope or father enter in Mopaye. Ono de why adwuma wo hope me tractor station am wenti. Wadi ka aka was we the legends here real. Jebi ba ya chia arefo ejina.
Hopeson Adorye for we ma.
Mbacha nka fe na me beda na se. Obi da me ka ho asem last week no wa ma me no.
What wa ma me no. Obi so to be ka na.
There be sufana be my or to and mami.
Oh I see.
And yana na say land
that's it bro. That's it.
Ayofa madam for now oton no. MPP headquarters wo. Final no your friend Pia.
Baby a ode okwa gine ma no. Eno ne ayi kakra. Tunya kokudro dia obetima ja. Oh
beba. Me abi ko gina ho. Na matoma de na me ko.
Eso no akokra. Eno so obliko.
Eti fugu Wednesday no. People that mo kaza mo ngrofo no so na to fugu yi. Mo encourage na man for to do mo so nya sika de bi.
I see.
Jebi who call Nsoko Town District Hospital ambulance service na unit no. Mo trachea
oh, I see. No ambulance na adwuma there.
Oh, yeah, adwuma. Town District Hospital no. Omampanjo mama ne CEO. Me manya accident akoda open.
Oh, I see.
Me accident wo Nsoko sekwa gbanum.
When you kase so one kase utiri ho a.
We
never bad.
One kase utiri ho you are you born.
We wa dey never bad.
Oni amache why ye campus wo ye ba mo ma yeti no and then me buy am me kika bi kire mo won se ma ko fati na ba
and then ye be se mo dada
ya nchi omo ye Rahel Usua ne college ni na ye chi omo anopai na me women for no okọ Doma West women organizer wo ho ye Jabia so aje adwa wo hwe den jebi.
Yes sir.
My Sunday birthday be am menu say no de Asin Central women organizer. Me de ma mente ade ketua bi free o. Last 3 days na yenu apanyi captain ejina agrofo council. Na de ntia mani abre a me boaboa ma no e wa NDC mu no. Afi Ghana fo nyina betimase.
Dear sir.
Ebia na agrofo eyi.
Na agro
Enti yanso ye boaboa ma no atodin awake prayer na ye ti no ye say ye bomb paye atai omampai jo mama echi amu achichi akromfo.
That's right.
Enya glow.
Dabi ye de ya awake. Awake.
So nanka glow for ye nanka no.
No, ye bomb paye say onya kupon ma owura jo mama akukuduro no nchi akromfo. Na ye be boy de no Blaster Square.
No kre. Sa o mu prayer topic no.
No kre.
Mi hu ye na no kre.
No kre. Na we Blaster Square ho no. Ye mu bi ye mpene da mo mpaye no ho.
Why no? Agrofo no.
Agrofo no.
Ade.
Omo de be call National Cathedral ho. Omo ko mpaye no ho. On say ye mpaye wi a. Wo mpaye wi a. Say Accra ni bi sakra. Awonsunsuo ho pa na o ma bo asu. Ensi baby a. Ensi baby. Obi atu amna da ho se wo si nyame aso dan. O mo mpaye ma aso dan no enya adwuma. Obi disika kwakra koko boto. Enya ho mfaso adi boto a abegu a ye be use for 10 years. Every year so boto na tete.
Nti yenko ya sori wa amnanim.
Mbacho na nya ho na yesi nyamete. Baby a captain so asement ko ye no.
Captain cement de yesi akoji o. O si akoji ni cement no. Sadi no mo nsi. E cement re da o.
O se ye ba ha onka bi. Yan ka bi na o jira che tutu abo ba pa so. Eni nti o ba ka ho bi. Ya ye team ni say awake for corruption. Eti e ba be bompa ya ma onyame ama owura dwoma ama akukuduro amo acheche akromfo okro we mu. Na e be boy de no Independence Square. Awake for we grow. No, that be awake. What okay, yeah, pedi. There never we grow. We glow. Okay.
Yes, right.
Adi achicha akromfo. Hwe. Ya nka ne sa nkyere o mu okro we mu a. Wonim say owura
we pray, we move.
O de ebe ye o mu okro we mu no. Enya agudie na media. Hwe ya anya ne sa omo be frakadam sa de adada nkrofo a ebe wi ase no. Ni asa akofa sasabro nso ma be si yesu biem.
Wanya?
Omo koi.
Adana se se bisa kan se wonya se timna so le.
Akoba omi aho.
Wo krona etimu no. Yan emabunu na yewo mu no. Yan ya adwe se. Yan ya ma emrewa ene nkokora na sabi omo adi nchire. A omo ji na ewu no. Ebebo oman na bro ye mpene. Na onu se kromu a ahyewo ni ba bia sakra wasema ko ware sofo.
Example ya.
Oh, adai me ba mi wie.
Mente da.
Kromfo bia sakra wasema ye sofo. Omo a na preachi a omo ka kire se na me yan roba. Eno ma dance di omo di kire no no. Me da me mo obi adi ba omo a na ka. We si na me num wi. We si na me twitwo ko gina kwam. We si na me ya azan ena nyame afre me. We si na me bo ahyawo. We si na me yesei. Na kromfo a wabeda ne sofo. Oji ubotom correction usuru. Akwa se posi MTT dia wakodi hene. O twa asase aton usuru hukura.
That
oh, na say we me a driver, be a taxi driver.
Yeah, are they?
Oh, there be that post MTT di ni ekodi here. O twa asase aton usuru. There be usuru. O di na ekwan wa akwache no. Baby akwa report no. Ono ne nkofo ne ho. Oh, eju o twa asase aton usuru. Ebi na agrofo yei. Ma me no nim say almost say how the man is ka be a microfinance o.
And them into you.
And ye pay baby or just correction no de kono. Now the sponsor MPP so sana enkofo ka.
Me mama no.
Enti
o ya me mama o.
Enti ko be chirem baby or jiji scan na. Na so ntimi jiji scan fa enhye obotom.
What's that?
Gift yourself now again.
Na kwa ya.
Me mama o.
Mama no twa dancing cry.
President now way.
O ya me mama o. Me say, what you me mama?
Enti umame ya dia kan wase.
Me na say na eja me te ne nkache.
Obi se wasem.
Me mama, ebno bia che say package a no wo hyehyɛ de bre me. Wo tontade
e man sika no.
Wo say?
E man correction no
oje. Ade no onya adwuma.
Adwuma bay.
No e member of council of state o ye tua ne ka.
Yo.
Enti oye me mama ntimi so susu kan ho asem.
The mechanic akra bi se bi na ade atofugu na bra the mechanic akra bi. Na mbom no de e kire ne se omunya asase bia moso mpaye because asase bia no etene e wo man mu ha chei national cathedral ho no.
Ho de.
Enti wane ye yia mo me omukọbọ mpaye no wa.
Ya de Bible for Israel. Ya Israel ebe go ho no.
Na pasa Ghana asase su abia national security for tie me omuntie ni yie. Omu ko twa kanko me so me ma na ko bom paye wo ho ba bi kro na e be national security threat ye ntra ho mama me no nsan fa azanfra kadam e ye agenda mpaye bo no ensan makro we mu we ndc ni ba wo bom paye bo se owura John mama nya me ma na kokudo no ncheche akrofo e wo kro we mu yo say 8 good years
your group na take decision men fa ngumi ma me
8 good years. Oh, na say
your group.
Na say
and the case of moment case of no. No there na.
O fe man kan asem no nko de be.
Now come there na me tie.
What kind of group? Now where are they me ma me no nko there.
O come there na me tie.
Me tie say but o
catch us na ma me nso.
O bonnet you. Na udi anso ma me di na tem say.
E bia no ya to program we.
Yo.
Lisa be kan na onka.
Enkrofo be brace on beba. No go so send no. Ya da ma say. Ye nyina no be tie ayam.
I don't have anything against it.
Me see Edom be sure moda. So mo ko ye mpai bo no. Ghana asase bie no a me ne me team de be bo magina transition national cathedral ho. No also me de so mama and was a pia mama atum. So also de be council of state member. No to mampanyin fo. Enti afutu de mo mampanyin no de akotu amna $90 million e dan won.
On de kenu forata mo ye ono won kam. Ono won kam kenu forata.
Ba cha kenu forata ne she nyame bo so husa so da ma no.
Ni nua.
Eje o mampanyin.
Ni nua.
Now ni say o man we ye a serious country panka Akufo-Addo so da fiase.
Guys what that prison.
Wache kura. Wache
former president.
Wache
$97 million.
Won see wache nyame bo say we win presidency a we be see aso da ma no. Na wache nyame bo a ye de o man ni sika. Ane ko si nyame aso da ma wo bohye. Ane ye jaro no tikuro we mu.
Tretre mu yo. Wan she Ghana for bo.
Dabi wo so do na she nyame bo.
Yankopɔ bo enye Ghana.
Wa she nyame bo se o si aso da ma nyame.
Ka ti veterasi.
Ane wa fa. Wafa o man ni sika, o man na japade. Edi akotu amena eja no ho akọ na o tu adenti ese ye ma o ye friend say afeni dazi anya sa ma me adenti ese ye ma ni nyina ba bia mo mpa ya je se national cathedral ho no wona na otu no fo ana otu no fo mo okobubu judge for dan
leader ho
wonu wona bomb pa ye ta na chi organize ma
me say leader nanga we friend is embo leader nanga so do what campaign for no the way we take ma no mempe
na say omo ba ko phone take decision
me say
see we dey me on na me ni enti dia kan bo mu di ka ho e hwe national security mu tie mi a mu tie ni ye because ma me no yare ni be ye bi okoro we mu
all right
until say obakwa akobom paye no wo
na don't me fan brand show so
emra be na di share nsem ye yi ba bi asiwa say wona enyame fi a enye wona eso akobom paye
ye wo ka no metiase in the way say eho ehye aban ase aban na background to permission amoa
yeah that's true
na etina na mebisa say heading of the prayer you know mo be ye no ye no kra na say obi na hyeda atro ne sa say ye no kra dia na enka ehu kakra so one de say ye no kra me ye free ha me frɛ na bisa ne say sa you know ye no kra say sa na team no ye no kra say sa na ti ana say sa na ti dia na say omo hwɛ ehu asɛm no mo kan ye because look in this country omo ase yen sase ni yensu eye president Akufo-Addo memfa nkoshe obia look yet diplomacy and omo pass a law secretly and law bia ye 24 hour economy sa di he the bibia ye bia e ba bonte but sa LI 2462 no nko ade obia ti ho asem until say expose by yes chese omodi e kwaye no nyina anse e ba behu say sa law bi e wo hono mo a Akufo-Addo and the call ya chese omo yes ade no enye eho ayo yes committee on debe omo hwe ayiso no adom kokko yes ade na chese omo timi pass no just like that and some yi bisa no chese omo difa mu koye eti se obi wo ho no ebe ka se ono na say yi a ono Akufo-Addo de eche you see Ghana has say Professor H Prempre the committee constitutional review no omo adwuma no ade ba ko po mo anya eye meja eye presidential immunity a omo jadu wom e hye papa e se mo yi free ho what you say mo yi sa immunity ni free ho no sa immunity na de share ho no those days na ye transition from ye aba yinti no na che say oh ye fa mo ayi ho ni pakra na ko ye target kra no oni ho e jade tina se etena ho na Akufo-Addo na mo obi antimi nkonko prosecute no ni ye ka ho e so mo yi free ho no 97 million on one project yashinagu hwe ya be me ma wato aso Danka Williams woni me to free mu omo ko US ekoko ye fundraising omo wie ya sofo kunyi gina o ma che omo de no ko ne fie anu okoko hosu omo ye lunch ma omo bibia kama omo bebre na omo ya konta na ya hu lunch sika pudro bi ehia ni mu anu say na dey no say oh ye call ye lunch o say what enya me na be host mu enya me ami motom sika ye dey ana ba be sha say
omofuka akoye
fa
omofuka from baby omo ya sorry no to that
on ti ase
ono ani motom sika dey feed omo no
no ho anu kasi no o entertain this corruption ni ade we anu di free mu President Mahama directed say a forensic audit on the National Cathedral. Auditor General was here about the Soraja the demonstration. So what to mean you now? What's for office one? 13 for African Games. President said a forensic audit. We'll hear report on the second week in December. Up to now, there was February na ending. I can't know say na miensa. That February ending. What kind of a year yet was no? Say Auditor General don't mean you now. Oh sorry free wo. Where we go change this here. Hey, yanti ase. Ye ma oduma so a won timi nyere. Won timi nye. Hwe number of a ya direct. Say won kom. And na so for no bi. Omo mu di sika no manya no e kasa. Wo hwe bi te say Reverend Kusi Buatin. A wo timi nya kukudo. E se gira yi so obi atimi nya ne hwe.
So for machu.
I mean, just say. Which country are we? Oma be mu ne ye wono se obi ye sofo a dan ka sofo grade and count the last person obi wiade
the
last person
Bible school bi na me call ye na bisa say no more treasures no matter titi omumu na bisa say na we so why you meet to opposite
sofo
Bible school ujo me to opposite say Bible school so
enti jabi ya besre
yes I agree with you
yen hwe sa nwema we ni enye ana president mesrew asem no kan de chire
no but sometimes the president will say president will never be brave omo di na chi no omo dey say omo set a reminder at the man
be babel list yi bebre no masene ama ye nua pani Dr. Callistus no masene bi ama chief of staff say
just to remind the president.
Remind him.
Because I mean,
Sauka say, yeah, adie never results ma me second week in December. Now, second week in Ababitrum, I'm a 2 weeks abeda so. Ya say one full month I'm Ababitrum ko second month ese ko. Na say maya. It means just one you're competent enough to do the work.
Very worrying say as of now. National Cathedral yente ho asem. The external forensic audits enyamaye.
All African Games.
Attorney General.
Yeah, the 50 million. Watch it.
Can it GVG? Say once a man wa kana no tun ko General Secretary.
No, but others speaking. I mean, the Attorney General, you are sleeping on the job.
Professor Frimpong Boateng report on Galamsey. President Mahama directly said they should prosecute it. Up to now, very Hey, you move your honor and Minia. You bet Danny Adjuno. No, some of us, ye make sure say anti-corruption agenda no. Ye bet him a pushy. So on that, Jebby me pay me I will make sure say fair means.
Yeah.
On that,
sure.
Now, say me dada will not be bua. It's the same nano any biti.
Yeah, sure.
Nothing to the abilities
because nanka ne can Cocoa board of once a man baby prepare walk away. Joseph Wahinedu on Yare on two.
One movie no cantonment.
Yes.
Opa onia for Monfa cameras. Monfre Cocoa board estate for Namuko Namuko. Look, 1.3 acre land.
Yeah.
A die kakra. She boys contest in the kakraka.
Oh.
Joseph Edu, Nebaria, Wabaya MP, was said, you're proud of you. Not in the boys contest. Okohe no mayo. Kohe no mayo.
So I say mostly a renovation Radiabia renovation. And Miracles Abuaje. And the campaign so I call renovation one fee. But I say Cocoa board, see you, Radiabia, what's a child? I know where he's.
What you want to fee?
Yeah, what you want to fee? Oh, yeah, renovation.
The office, what is a miracle? We say, why you what is a Arabia king?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, make Cocoa board last Friday. Adam me froso. Adam say person who see you. Lucky no your meeting. To me trying kakra or buy and so. Me baba share Arabian king
office.
What's it? Oh, me share. Edu office na konyo oteso de bibia edu aniu. Ye chenye view. One office here. The only thing I say, your petition, I'm your other staff's room. Okay. Baby, I don't feel boafo as a manager. The office, you know.
Yeah.
I know what I say. Or monfa a yisiwa or more lunch. No more could do because it's not good. Edu did you on the office in the table so.
Wow.
Yeah, go school. What did you dormitory Daniel?
Yeah, sure.
So the only thing, and this is what converted sir, you know to. And yes, sir. Wakwa to da ne table bio yes 4 square table bi adam ko nya fo si ho
so some of these issues check yeah mama
Debbie they can say
na time crack
ya me aduma month odo love month
yeah
next month Ghana month hwe say ye hu ensakraye bia for now ye be your friends say picketing and a vigil our Jubilee House ebusa omampanyi say dey na ekoso ye pesi ye hu because na anu ya wo ba ya enkrofo yi aye PDS awiawia container wo habo yisiji de ma akabeda ho a ye be kwa ahochiri mu no wan fa wan si di amra driver for say ye ntua osre ye pa no mfa nso kan ya maye ba so ya anye pepa antua eni nti do wa boka no mesi kwa kusa nka ho me ma me aduro nya akoti akoma da do ntosi o wa moka ni bi o nenso ko to petrol se wo de kwa akọ pumping tomatoes a uzi de bi gu motor bro sa afidie no e use petrol nto use bi oto 1 liter bi e je no 1 cedi o na o yonko afasika na di wa hwie say te kasa fidie so kasa abebe kura wontimi nchibi na me ne chama bugani ya adwen o de akeka koi pa me say afafranto kura abai wo ya ahwe wontimi nchibi
men you so afafranto you so osunu afafranto de men
osunu
na de so ma
abebe kura
me prema you so afafranto
abebe anuma abakro wontimi nchibi ye mu bi o chese ya se enema se koso na me se MPP no ho ye ni momo o ti se Bob Marley o mo wu so mo ka trema employ enti se uja no ene ye ni sei o wie ya do okodi tro hwe koku asemu yi se Hopeson Adorye anchire nsemu minister for agric amaha once nko maka as pentu poto se de o munya ahwi o nti yesro mampanyi jo mama aduma ne de wo ye o na wo campaign no ye kai pa se wo gina ba bia de wo kan ya ye de se resetting Ghana agenda no wo se corruption na nkofo didi sika wo be ye mba cha ono ECG o ma nkoye special prosecutor go re nsem se so ontua Flagbearer okay
yeah
wo ye ba hwa wo diem wo ba ya wo de waka wan watum papa de na ekoso
all right
me srawo ye de nyame din po wa chew pa
okay
yes srawo pa nyame din mu papa do something enye sa ye nya politician mu gidie biem because baka sa mu nyina mo ye pe ade na ese basa ntie ni mu hwe contaminated fuel onkai uza no kwa de owura fikura afred obi moving pina company mo nam so yes corruption no enye moving pina ye hwem na Akufo-Addo banka ho papa dey
she won ayi information dey abeto abonten say Ghana ambulance service
yeah
cast de do asen ya ni ne ye adwuma
yeah
enu amene na mo so na me hu say MPP nini and all running 800 and can say 380 ambulance in the judge of Mahama no within 1 year was sese we nyina
trotro nko fa bai
and I say sabi ma we nyina beba because why you din
yeah
look you say omukoko crash spare parts no board den say kan ankasa
how akun say the ambulance ne ba me boy
spare parts no boarding esen kan ankasa ana spare parts no hwa de bae enya Akufo-Addo ba ne say okoko kra de bae
that's true
why you din ana moti hodum enti ebedru ba bi no no mo de saade no editor look there is no scandal yet
yeah
so omo try omo create editor omo create internet no so de edaso
yeah
ebedru 2028 no no be akwa body obi can and then what you say hey say na ban ye so when they say it counter it ma contrast in hwe wo na ye president hwe enura na me wo baby ana obi e wo to me ana so wo ta hwe me na the way ana be principle no na ni jom o suma me asemba kope men kanche president Mahama say sankrofo ye omo bebo man yi wodi opa man nye kwan opa o maka ne nyina dundum wodi omo kokko gunsa wo mu nko a wo mu ye okay o mbesa to abama no
simple
obi asema obi di suma me no so you should know say adwuma wo ye nyina economy ne take yi ne nyina no ne Ghana for de ba bejejew eye sa oratin no.
All right.
The
MPP cannot be underestimated.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahin, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words. The 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words. The 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words.